good hair days, and thanks to Youngways because I just got my free sample. So it's a ponytail hair that you can see here, and it comes with this tie and pins for you to put your hair up and to put the hair clip. So mine is brown with highlights, as you can see here on the camera, and I just want to demonstrate it really quick. I would like to keep the box just to protect the ponytail. So let's say you have to put it up here, and I'm just putting it like this for the demonstration, but this is how it looks. So at the end, you can fix your hair with the pins, and it looks just like my color. It matches very good my color. So as you can see, it looks like I have a beautiful long hair, and it's not super heavy on the head, so I feel that I can wear it everywhere, even if it's to go out and walk around, and I look so pretty with my long hair. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. Try it. Just pick your shade and enjoy.